Welcome to Luxury Lighting, your go-to source for lighting that blends function, style, and innovation. In today's video, we're diving into the top lighting trends of the year. From bold new finishes to smarter, more flexible designs, lighting is evolving fast. And this year's trends are all about personality, versatility, and making a statement. Let's take a look at what's lighting up homes this year. First up, mixed materials. Designers are blending finishes like matte black with warm brass, or pairing natural textures like rattan and wood with sleek metal. This contrast brings richness and depth to fixtures, allowing them to complement a wider range of interiors, from minimalist to rustic to ultra-modern. Next, sculptural lighting is taking center stage. Fixtures are becoming art pieces in their own right, featuring organic shapes, asymmetry, and bold silhouettes. Whether it's a free-form chandelier or a geometric pendant, these statement designs add drama and visual interest without overwhelming the room. Smart lighting continues to grow, but it's more refined than ever. Homeowners are embracing app and voice-controlled fixtures, but now with a focus on subtlety, like color tuning, motion sensors, and preset lighting scenes that adjust throughout the day. It's all about convenience that doesn't sacrifice aesthetics. Layered lighting is also trending. Instead of relying on one central fixture, designers are combining ceiling lights, wall sconces, table lamps, and accent lights to create dimension and flexibility. The goal is to give each space multiple lighting moods: task, ambient, and decorative, all working together. Warm tones are in, especially when it comes to color temperature. Soft gold, champagne, and bronze are replacing cooler metallics. And lighting that mimics natural daylight, especially in kitchens and bathrooms, is becoming a must-have for wellness and visual comfort. Finally, sustainability is influencing design. LED technology is now standard, and many designers are focusing on energy-efficient fixtures made from recycled or responsibly sourced materials, proving that good lighting can be beautiful and eco-conscious. This year's lighting trends are about more than illumination. They're about expression, innovation, and creating a home that feels both current and personal. Want to explore the styles featured in today's video? Check the description below for product links. And don't forget to subscribe to Luxury Lighting for more trend guides, expert tips, and design inspiration.